choice for Jamaican entertainment.
Bang, 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 connect!
Yo, what's going on, my beautiful viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. So I get a video here and me say it circulate on social media. So I say, me look on it, me pre it and see what I go on. So I can look on it and see.
Let me out there. Hey, can you go out the door? Watch your what? Let me out. Hey, you. Blood clot. Hey, stop. Yeah, me have to video cause then top tip them shit yeah. So me have to video.
Yo, so people basically it look like say a man them a fight over. The girl at the front absolutely right, because the girl at the front never do her nothing, never physically touch her. And the girl at the back seat go put her hand on her, so me I say. So basically she right. She say, yo, me did touch you. You see me? So the girl on the front seat never touch her. She had talk about say she pregnant and whatever. But boy, brother, struggle is real. So people, let me know what you think in the comments about this. Boy, may I tell you, the struggle is real. Like, comment and subscribe, share the video. I'm out.